Ready to turn your spare time into extra cash with Amazon Flex in beautiful Canada? First, download the Amazon Flex app from your app store. Make sure it is supported in your area of Canada. The app is your key to accessing those delivery blocks. Next, complete the application process. Within the app, you will need a valid Canadian driver's license, a qualifying vehicle, and proof of insurance. Be prepared to undergo a background check, as Amazon prioritizes safety and reliability. To be eligible, you must be at least 21 years old, have a compatible smartphone, and meet Amazon's specific requirements for independent contractors in Canada. Once approved, you'll gain access to the scheduling screen here. You can view available delivery blocks in your zone. These show the time commitment and estimated earnings for each block. Carefully select the blocks that work with your schedule. Remember to consider travel time to the pickup location and the estimated delivery time. During your block, the app will guide you through the entire delivery process, from scanning packages to navigating to customer locations. Now you're all set to start earning extra income by delivering for Amazon Flex in Canada. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and guides on maximizing your earnings.